Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called What Upgrades Make the Biggest Impact on Home Value? Now, whether you're planning to put up that for sale sign or nesting for the foreseeable future, increasing your home's value is the name of the game. You might not hit that billion-dollar home run like a Powerball winner, but strategic upgrades can certainly stack your chips higher in the real estate casino. Let's dig into what packs the most punch when it comes to upping your property's value. First on the list, the kitchen. Think of it as your home's MVP. Renovating this space is like giving your home a facelift and a gym membership all wrapped up in one. Modern stainless steel appliances, streamlined cabinetry, and durable countertops can lure even the most skeptical house hunters like a moth to flame. A dollar invested here can reap almost twice as much in return. Next up, the bathroom, your personal oasis. Adding another can make a world of difference and bring some spa-like vibes into the mix. Opt for frameless glass showers, sleek vanities, and energy-efficient fixtures. Buyers picture these as daily slices of luxury, and they will pay more for that experience. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Choose a contractor who treats your home as their canvas. Priceless and unique, not just another job ticked off the list. Another impactful upgrade? Boosting curb appeal. The journey to your home starts at the curb. A fresh coat of paint, attractive front door, and manicured landscape set a positive tone that draws potential buyers in faster than a Friday deal. First impressions stick harder than gum on hot pavement, so make 'em count. Installing energy-efficient windows is like giving your home a smart upgrade. Not only do they promise lower utility bills, but they're also a soothing balm for eco-conscious buyers wanting green features that cast long-term savings. Finally, consider adding usables like a deck or patio. They extend living spaces without four walls tagging along. Picture perfect afternoons and sundown soirees. A taste of outdoor paradise can carve out a niche in buyers' hearts, increasing your home's desirability index. So remember, savvy upgrades don't just improve aesthetics. They telegraph to potential buyers, this home is loved, cared for, and worth every penny. And who doesn't want to live in a space that feels like $1,000,000? This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.